Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and things just got a whole lot brighter with these headlamps from Smiling Shark. Now, these come in a set of two. You wear them on your head. They're very comfortable, but they're packed with so many cool features. This is an incredibly bright light. It has this large panel. When you turn this on, you are lighting the entire area around you. It has several brightness options, so you can lower the brightness, and you can also have this one strobe. Now it also has a smaller light, so this is a more concentrated light, and so you can also adjust the brightness on that one. And then you have a red light. So if you ride your bicycle at night, you want to make others aware of your location, then you can have the red light on, and it also strobes. Another cool feature is that you can use this hands-free. So if you activate the sensor, it will turn on and off with just the swipe of your hand. So you don't have to worry about fumbling for the buttons. It has an excellent battery life. It will last you all day or all night, I guess, if that's when you're using it. And it charges up nice and fast as well. It comes with the charging cables. So whether you're walking at night, doing some sort of outdoor activity in the dark, or if you're a DIYer, this is so fantastic for getting in those dark corners where you can't see so well. Of course, the strap is fully adjustable as well. So if you want a high quality headlamp, I think you'll be thrilled with this set, and that's my point of view.